beautiful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Marsha Lee, and this channel is all things fashion, luxury, and self-care. It is so good to be back. I'm so excited to be back filming another video for you guys. You know, I plan to take about 3 months off, and whatever happened, and it took about a year and a half maybe. So like I said, I'm super happy to be back, and I'm excited to start uploading more videos for you guys. And I figured I'll start off with a video that I love creating and based on my past videos that you guys love watching, and it's no other than a bag review. So this is the bag, and as you can see, it's a Coach bag. And I have to say that Coach has been one of those brands that really crept up on me, and I am absolutely loving Coach bag. Not only do they give top-notch quality bags and the leathers are superb, but the price is right. It's very affordable, and it's not, you know, gonna break the bank. To me, actually looks extremely expensive compared to what I paid for it, but I have to say that it is within a good price range for the quality and for how many things it can fit, and just the wear and tear where there's none. I've had this bag for about 10 months. So I bought it in January of 2024. So it's about 9-10 months now, and I wore this bag the entire winter, spring, every single day to work. And once it hit about like ending of July, I stopped carrying it and started carrying like a more like a summery bag. And then 2 weeks ago, I picked it up again. And then I remembered how much I love this bag and how just the quality is absolutely amazing. As I mentioned, I love doing bag reviews. Now, one of the things I love about bag reviews is that I get into the details of the bag, the nitty-gritty of the bag, to tell you what specifically made me do click, add to cart, and purchase this bag. Now, the first thing that I think is important to purchase a bag, and that's gonna help with withstanding wear and tear, is that the bag has to be leather. This is 100% leather. This is a crocodile embossed or croc embossed bag, and it's a smooth leather, smooth to the touch. Another thing that I love about this bag is that the straps or the handle are leather. And it's really important that a bag, the straps are leather, because that is what I grab all the time, and that is what I throw on my shoulder. I swing, I throw it in a car. I'm always grabbing the handle, and I find that when it's a bag that's not leather, the handles have wear and tear a lot faster and more often. And because of that, that's kind of the main reason why I decided to transition into buying mainly leather bags. Now, if I didn't mention this in the past, or if I didn't mention this earlier, this bag is called the Nina Tote Bag, and it's black with gold hardware. So I'm gonna add all the links and information on this bag in the description box below so you guys can check it out. Like I said, I take this bag to work. This is mainly what I use this bag for, but I don't want to limit you guys, and I don't want to limit myself, so I do travel with this bag too. So a few weeks ago, I did go to New York, and this is the bag that I took, and it holds a lot. I mean, it actually holds more than my Louis Vuitton bag that I have, and that's what I usually take for travel, but I took this one instead. And I have to say that it did an amazing job, and I absolutely love taking this bag to travel, and this is what I'm gonna keep taking to travel with me. And the details of the bottom of the bag is super cute. I love the gold feet on the bag. Now, this is the only bag that I have that has feet, and I felt like maybe I wouldn't like that, but when I saw it on the website, I was like, those actually look really pretty, and I do feel like the gold definitely helps it stand out. But I could be biased because I love wearing gold. I'm a gold girl. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, I'm definitely gonna have to give it a try. And I have to say that I don't usually put my bag on the ground. That's just something that I don't really do. But because this has feet, I tend to do that more with this bag. And I will definitely say that there's a few like scratches on the feet, which that makes sense because like you're dropping on the floor, throw it in your car, like I said, but it's very minimal for like the 9-10 months that I've been carrying it. And I just think overall, not just think, like overall, there's literally no scratches on this bag. I mean, it's so strong. I am loving this bag. I love the style. It's very stylish. And now I'm gonna go inside the bag and show you around so you can get a better idea and a better feel of how spacious this bag is. So this is the inside of the bag. I'm gonna come a little bit closer. And I'm gonna work on doing mod shots as well for you guys. So it has a magnetic clasp, so it's very easy to get in and out of this bag. One of my pet peeves is that I don't like bags where I have to like fumble and just fight to get in. So snap, open, super easy. And I love that it has zippers on both sides. So if you're anything like me, you probably like to organize your stuff when, you know, in your bag. And I like to put my laptop in one side of the bag if I take my laptop to work that day. And then in the other side would be like my little knickknacks and like beauty products and things of that sort. And like paperwork, I'll also keep it on the side of my laptop. Now for the days that I bring lunch, because most of the time I like to eat my own cooked food unless I'm going out for lunch. But I put my lunch in the middle because the middle space is the main compartment and it's very large. You see how wide this stretches? And it also has little pockets inside as well. So I like to put my cell phone here. And then there's another little pocket as well here. And I'm gonna get even closer to you. And I wanted to show you guys the Coach logo up front as well. It's super cute. I just love the gold. And I love Coach logo. It's very classic and timeless. I mean, this bag is definitely classic and timeless. And I wanted to show you guys up close on the side pockets. Do you see how roomy that is? Very spacious. Like I said, this bag is perfect for travel and everyday work bag. And also the color burgundy is definitely trending right now. And I totally got this before it was trending, but it's so beautiful that it has this, I would say this is more like a burgundy, dark brown, maroonish color in here. It's really beautiful. So this bag, you can dress it up or dress it down. When I go to work, I usually wear more of a business casual clothing. So I'm not overdressed and I'm not like super underdressed. And I find that this pairs really well with my business casual outfits. This bag is definitely a versatile bag. For instance, whenever I leave work in the evenings and I want to go out to dinner, I don't worry about carrying a smaller bag or a little bit more dressier. This bag can be very dressy bag. It looks very stylish, and the croc emboss definitely gives it more of a stylish, elevated, dressy look. So I would just take this after work with me out to dinner, and it really does elevate the outfit, whatever outfit I'm wearing. And when I traveled to New York, I definitely was casual, and this also elevated my outfit to New York. I am obsessed with this bag, and if they have this in a smaller size, I'm probably gonna get it because I don't have a small size bag that looks anything like this. And the bag, the big version of this bag works perfectly fine. So I would just assume that the small version will be super cute. And overall, like I said, this bag is high quality bag. The design, the details, the structure, the make, just the craftsmanship is excellent. And the details on this bag is chef kiss. I'm definitely going to share my outfit that I'm wearing right now. Now it's definitely not like a work outfit, I would say, maybe with leggings, but the outfit that I'm wearing now, this bag definitely goes really cute with it. If you wanted some ideas of how you would dress up a bag that looks similar to this, not necessarily for work, just probably heading out on the town or something like that. I'm going to show you how I'm styling this bag for today. But keep in mind, like I said, you can style this bag anyway because it's versatile. Dress it up or dress it down. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I'm super excited to be back, and look out for more videos coming soon. I have some in the works and I can't wait to share with you guys. And don't forget to check out the link in the description box for this bag. And I'll see you next time. Bye.